Are you tired of feeling like you're not being taken seriously? Do you want to know how to gain the respect you deserve? Well, it's time to shift your focus from yourself to others. Ask yourself, how can I make a positive impact on those around me? Take a moment to think about the people you admire and respect. What sets them apart from the rest? In this video, we will show you how to instantly make anyone respect you by following a few simple steps. Let's get started. 1. Stop apologizing. Have you ever noticed that people who say sorry all the time aren't always the ones who command respect? Of course, there are times when saying sorry is the right thing to do, like when you've made a mistake that affects your loved ones. But constantly apologizing for every little thing that goes wrong, especially at work, can make you seem less confident and less capable. So, it's time to stop the sorry cycle. Remember, there's a time and place for apologies, but for everything else, try to find different ways to express yourself. 2. Stop being too nice. There's a difference between being kind and being a pushover. If you're always doing things for others in an attempt to make them happy, you might not be earning the respect you deserve. It's important to find a balance between being kind and being assertive. If you're too nice all the time, people might start to question your authenticity. They might wonder if you're being genuine or if you're just trying to please them. And being a pushover is definitely not a good way to earn respect. It's okay to say no sometimes and set boundaries for yourself. Remember, respecting yourself is just as important as respecting others. So, find that sweet spot between being kind and being assertive, and don't be afraid to stand up for yourself when necessary. When you show that you have self-respect and are willing to set boundaries, others will be more likely to respect you as well. We appreciate your support for small channels like ours. Please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to drop a comment to share your thoughts on the topic. 3. Be relentlessly proactive. One of the keys to earning respect is being relentlessly proactive. That means you don't just wait around for others to tell you what to do. Instead, you use your skills and resources to start getting things done and solving problems. It's about taking the initiative and being self-sufficient. Don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves and figure things out for yourself. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow and learn. So embrace those challenges and don't shy away from them. By being proactive and taking charge of your work and goals, you'll show others that you're a responsible and capable person who deserves respect. 4. Keep your promises. If you want to earn respect, one of the most crucial things you can do is keep your promises. When you make a commitment, it's important to honor it. If you've ever taken commitments lightly in the past, it's time to change that. Make it a habit to always follow through on your promises. If you find yourself struggling to keep up with your commitments, it may be a sign that you've taken on too much. So, try to be realistic about what you can accomplish and make sure you're not overcommitting yourself. When you keep your promises, you show others that you're reliable and trustworthy, which is essential for earning their respect. 5. Have a moral code. Sometimes we forget just how important having a moral code can be. What do you stand for? What values are most important to you? What issues in the world make you want to take action? By answering these questions, you can start to define your own personal moral code. Once you've figured it out, don't be afraid to share it with the world. You don't have to be a great leader to have a clear set of values that guide your actions. By living according to your moral code, you'll show others that you have integrity and that you're committed to doing what's right. And who knows? You might even inspire others to do the same. So take some time to reflect on your values and beliefs, and don't be afraid to let them guide you in all that you do. 6. Speak your mind. Speaking your mind is not always easy, but it's an important part of gaining respect from others. You don't have to be an expert on every topic, but having strong opinions and ideas can make a big difference. If you're hesitant to share your thoughts, start small. Maybe it's bringing up a new idea during a meeting or offering feedback to a coworker. Remember that your perspective is valuable, and your contributions can help make positive changes. Speaking your mind doesn't mean you have to be confrontational or argumentative. It's about being honest and authentic in your communication. If you're feeling hesitant, try to approach the conversation with a mindset of curiosity and openness. Ask questions and be willing to listen to others' perspectives. And if you're met with resistance or disagreement, try to approach it as an opportunity to learn and grow, rather than a personal attack. Evan, don't waste other people's time. Respecting other people's time is a crucial part of earning their respect in return. This means being punctual for appointments, keeping meetings focused on important topics, and getting straight to the point. It's about being considerate of others and not wasting their time. If you have an issue to bring up, do it right away instead of letting it drag on. Be succinct and to the point so that everyone can stay on track and make progress. And remember, making it easier for others to make decisions is a great way to show that you respect their time and value their input. So be mindful of everyone's time, especially if they're busier than you. When you show that you respect other people's schedules and priorities, they'll be more likely to respect yours in return. 8. Doing your homework. Doing your homework can make all the difference when it comes to earning respect. Whether you're interviewing someone, going to a job interview, or just having a conversation with a friend, taking the time to do your due diligence can show that you care about the other person and are invested in the situation. For example, if you're interviewing someone, do some background research beforehand so you can ask insightful questions. If you're going to a job interview, make sure you know everything you can about the company so you can show that you're a good fit. And when you're talking to friends, try to listen and remember important details about their lives. Showing that you care about the people and situations around you can go a long way in earning respect. So don't be afraid to put in the extra effort and do your homework. You never know how it might pay off. 9. Learn to say no. Learning to say no can be a powerful tool in earning respect. It's important to remember that it's okay to say no once in a while, and you shouldn't feel guilty about it. You don't have to agree to everything that someone asks of you, especially if it's a superior or a client. In fact, sometimes saying no can actually earn you more respect than saying yes. When you say no, you show that you value your time and your own priorities, and that you're not afraid to stand up for yourself. So don't be afraid to say no when it's necessary. You never know. It might just earn you even more respect in the long run. 10. Don't believe the self-talk. If you want people to respect you, you have to start by respecting yourself. It's easier said than done, I know. Sometimes we have days where we're just not feeling it and our inner critic takes over. But you can't let that negative self-talk control you. Remind yourself of your strengths and learn from your mistakes. Believe in yourself and your abilities, even when things don't go as planned. Remember, it's okay to stumble and fall because that's how you grow and become better. Confidence comes from embracing your imperfections and using them as stepping stones toward success. In a world where respect can often feel like a rare commodity, it's important to remember that you have the power to influence how others see you. By practicing these tips consistently, you can start to earn the respect you deserve and build strong relationships along the way. If you like this video, then check out these related videos to see more and make sure to subscribe and leave a like.